Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Fonts optimization from WordPress. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Google Fonts optimization from your WordPress site, begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Installed Plugins to view all the plugins you currently have. Look for the plugin responsible for Google Fonts optimization. Once located, click on the Deactivate link below the plugin name. After deactivating, you can uninstall the plugin by clicking on the Delete link that appears. Confirm the deletion when prompted to remove the plugin completely. Next, you'll want to check your theme settings for any Google Fonts references. Go to Appearance and then select Customize. Look for any font options or typography settings within the customizer. If you find Google Fonts listed, replace them with system fonts or fonts available locally. After making changes, be sure to click Publish to save your settings. To further ensure Google Fonts are removed, check your themes functions.php file. Access the theme editor under the Appearance menu. Look for any code that includes Google Fonts, usually found by searching for WP_NQ_style. If you find any code referencing Google Fonts, delete it carefully. Next, clear your site cache if you're using a caching plugin. This will ensure that any changes reflect on the front end of your site. Finally, visit your website to verify that Google Fonts are no longer being loaded. You can use browser developer tools to inspect the network requests made by your site. Check for any Google Fonts URLs to confirm they have been successfully removed. You have now completed the uninstallation of Google Fonts optimization from your WordPress site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.